I, Bhandari lakshma Reddy, had been elected member of Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear truthfully and allegiance to the Constitution of India by the law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the India, that I will truthfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Bhandari lakshma Reddy, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I shall abide by the law, by and the law, rule and observe the equity and respect the convention of the House.
Sri Banla Krishna Mohan Reddy garu.